Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to draw a circle with the pen tool in Photoshop. First of all, create a new layer, then go to View tab, Show, use Grid and Zoom, then click the pen tool, right click, use pen tool, Shape, do not use Fill, click Stroke, press Enter and click this point and another is middle point, hold alter, click, then remove, click this point, this corner, remove, hold alter, then this corner, hold alter. Okay, then press Ctrl T, hold shift, drag on your mouse, increase the size. Okay, then press Ctrl T, hold shift, resize. Change the color. Okay, then remove grid or press Ctrl S and press Ctrl D. Now we can see this draw a circle with the pen tool. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.